Hey, what's up? Got a new Maxx Air high velocity Pedestal 16-inch turbo fan. Just unbox it. There's 10 total pieces, including things like wires, not a lot. And it's a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. It's very rugged and industrial. So let's put this thing together. You can see the parts list actually show 21 pieces, but some of this stuff is already assembled. This little pipe here, but surprise, surprise, nice thing about these instructions is that there's one page. It basically shows you how to assemble it. There's the English version, multiple languages. 3 screws in the bottom, put the pole in, assemble that, clamp those little things on the side. Let's give it a try. That was easy. Took the 4 screws off, put 4 screws back in, put this cap over it. So I noticed that this silver rod wouldn't come up much. So I pulled the whole pipe out, and there was this little screw, and it was below this little twist cap. So I took the screw out and put the twist cap below it. Now presumably it's for stability. They don't want you to pull this out too much, but if you push this down and lift this up higher, you can make this rod come higher. Screw that down. Okay, the instructions are off a little bit. You see this little nut that attaches here, and it looks like the arm's coming up flat. Well, in reality, the arm has an L on it. And what you have to do is put this spacer in here and come in here with this little screw, like on this side. Get that little L, and it keeps some space here. So, no manufacturing difference there. So these two have to be fit here. Okay, I noticed that even though I said the washer and the L is not identified here, if you go to the parts list, you can see the washer in here. And the washer, this big thick washer, is tapered. So this side, I put the larger diameter side here and the smaller here. Okay, it's a lot taller now, and I got the arm on here. And then that's just gonna come back here in these holes. Screw in right here. On the back, you just unwind the wire, and it has 3 power options: 0, 1, 2, 3. I have this sneaky feeling that I need to lower that back, and that's what that screw is for. There may be so much air that just tips over, but let's give it a try. Yeah, actually, I forgot, this is not oscillating, so this is really steady. I see it bend a little bit. I may lower it, I'm not sure, but it's a fixed fan. It's off. Just turn it. Tighten up these handles when you want to turn it. That's on 1. Button out, up good air. Gonna be a good shop fan. Last thing to manage is a very small stand, if you want to use that instead of this. So that would be really close to the ground. Maybe you're trying to vent a wet carpet or something. Didn't say anything in there about turning this upside down, mounting it to a ceiling. But there's 4 screws. I'm not sure I would mount it that way. They just screw in. You may have to put some nuts on the other side, some longer bolts to do that. But really nice, perfect size for the garage or back porch. Maxx Air. 2 final points if you're going to use a short stand. See the place to put this little cotter clip and these 2 pins through here and here. And also, I reduced it down back to where it came with the screw. That's tall enough. This wire came with it, unknown what to do with it. Usually it's to help something when you're hanging it. Maybe it does mount to the ceiling, I'm not sure.